Sharma family, India. Big joint family, Delhi. Author Dr. Y.N. Sharma, age 28. Profession MBBS doctor. Personality mature, responsible. Emotionally strong, quiet but bold when needed. The pillar of her family, handles everything calmly, prioritize duty before herself. Author Ayushi Sharma, 22 years old, student studying in Korea, Seoul, university design student. Personality cheerful, bubbly, filmy, dreamy, romantic girl in love with Jungkook. Fashion obsessed, always taking selfie and dreaming of filmy weddings. Author Aditya Sharma, 26 years old, profession software engineer at a tech firm in Bangalore. Personality protective elder cousin, sarcastic, love teasing Ryan, gym freak, overconfident at times but dependable. Author Aryan Sharma, 24 years old, social media manager and influencers, funny, flirty, comic relief of the family, always making reels with Korean filters, secretly watches K drama to understand Jungkook for his sister. Author Riya Sharma, 20 years old, final year BCom student, Delhi University. Sweet, supportive bestie of Ayushi, secretly ships Tiang and Mayan after hearing about Kim family. Author Mrs. Sharma Maji, homemaker, loving, super strict about Indian tradition, always judging people silently, wants an Indian Korean Sanskari fusion bahu. Authors Mr. Sharma, retired bank manager, always reading newspaper, chill. Dad lets Maji handle everything, doesn't fully understand Korean boys but trusts his daughter. Kim family, Seoul, classy and rich. Author Kim Tae-young, 30 years old, professional CEO of Kim Group. Personality calm, mysterious, but deep thinker. Workaholic, never attend functions, always in suit. Doesn't believe in love until fate sends Vian. Author Jeon Jungkook, 25 years old, K-pop idol, now managing family entertainment wing. Personality playful, romantic, confident. In love with Ayushi, India is exciting, he says. Author Park Jimmy, 26 years old, Kim Group International PR HD. Soft spoken, charming mediator between everyone, always complimenting Sharma aunties in Hindi. Author Kim Seok Jin, 29 years old, celebrity chef and hotel chain supervisor. Funny, loves Indian for its food, brings gift for Sharma family. Butter chicken is my soulmate. Author Kim Lia, 23 years old, interior architecture. Love fusion fashion, chill, daisy, obsessed. Say namaste auntie perfectly. Author Mr. Kim, father, business tycoon, wants alliance for Jungkook, strict, classy, serious about traditional, secretly admires Sharma family warm. Authors Mrs. Kim, elegant, kind-hearted, traditional Korean woman, wants all her sons married soon, becomes fast friends with Maji despite language barrier. Author Morning in Seoul, South Korea, Kim Mansion. Authors Mr. Kim sits peacefully on the sofa reading the Korean newspaper. He takes a sip of warm tea and glances at his watch. Then he turns to his wife, who walked holding a plate of sliced fruit. Mr. Kim, Yoonji, Mrs. Kim, is everyone ready? We have to leave in 2 hours. Author Mrs. Kim, yes, I told Dia and Jimmy to finish packing. Jungkook is still in gym. I call him now. Mr. Kim and Tae-young, authors. Mrs. Kim smile faded slightly. She escapes more continuously. He has meeting with the Tokyo investors. He said he will take separate flight tomorrow. Mr. Kim, he should be there for Jungkook. He is the eldest. This is a big moment, Mrs. Kim. He said he'll join us next night in the India. After finishing his business work, Mr. Kim, work always work. He has no time for relationships or marriage talks. Author Kim mentioned gym room, same time. The sound of punch, punch echoes as Jeon Jungkook lands powerful hits on the punching bag. His muscles tense with each strike, sweat running down his temple. He is wearing a black sleeves gym shirt, tattoos peeking out of the arm loud. Music plays in the background, fast, rhythmic. Jungkook breathing heavy, eye focused. One, two, three. Suddenly his phone vibrate on the bench. He pauses, grabs the towel and wipes his face, then checks the screen. A wide smile appears his face. He see the message. Text from Ayushi. Flight is in 3 hours. Are you excited? Jungkook is smiling, more than excited, my heart already in India. He looks at the mirror in front of him, whispers under his breath in English, Jungkook. I can't believe it's finally happening. Ayushi, I'm coming. He is walking to window. Still holding his phone, the light catches the little silver ring on his chain, the one she gifted him before she left Korea. Author Taehyung sits at his desk, dressed in a fitted black suit. Assistant, sir, your family is leaving for India today. Shall I prepare your bags as well? Taehyung is still focused on papers. No. Assistant, but the alliance meeting for Jungkook, your father expected you to attend. Taehyung, pause. Business comes first. Jungkook doesn't need me to smile at some strangers. I have to deal closing in Tokyo. I'll fly tomorrow night. Assistant, yes, sir. Taehyung, I don't believe in all this love marriages nonsense anyway. He closes his file and finally looks up, eyes sharp, ungrayable. Author's morning in Delhi. Author Sharma. Kitchen. Maji. Mrs. Sharma is shouting instructions while flying puris, Indian bread. The pressure cooker whistle. The smell of cardamom chai fills the air. Maji, Ria, get the aarti plate ready. The Korean boys are coming today. Ria, yes, I am coming. Rangoli bhi banani hai. I have to make rangoli. Authors, Vayan bedroom. Dr. Vayan Sharma, you stand in front of the mirror, pinning her stethoscope into the handbag. She looks mature, composed, tired but grateful. Vayan, yes, I'll make sure everything perfect. Ma is overexcited. Papaji is calm as possible. Ayushi on screen at Korean airport. Uni, I'm so nervous. What if Jungkook parents don't like me? Van, they will. You are the most lovable person I know. Now just relax and enjoy your flight.